is it lets you have actions in your workflow where you can conveniently update or append rows into a spreadsheet. Here's a spreadsheet, and I'm appending in objects, and these objects just get automatically converted into rows like this. And I can also put in columns of things. So here's, if I want to add another thing in here, and I just want to put in goldfish, and this is appending, so I can either append or update. If I gave it a row number, it would update. If I just don't give it a row number, it's going to append. So goldfish, and now we've got goldfish in our spreadsheet. And this one is, sometimes you don't really want to go to the hassle of extracting every column out. You can also just pass any database object. So a database object is, here's some things in the database. Doesn't matter what they are. Doesn't matter how many columns there are. So when I go append a row, what that's doing is, under the covers, it's randomly grabbing one of these items. I just use random stuff for testing purposes, and it's added this database object into the spreadsheet. And that's really all it does. There are detailed videos here on how to get the Google side set up. You just have to get it exactly right, and you'll be fine. And then these videos explain how to set up the Bubble side.